Looking for the best gaming desks to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Cougar Emars. The Cougar Emars gaming desk is more than just a sturdy surface to rest your battle station, as it packs a hub of ample connectivity options to make hooking up components a breeze. To start, you get a USB-C and a Type-C cable for monitor extension. There are also 2 USB-A ports along with audio and mic jacks, keeping things organized and easy to reach. It doesn't stop with connectivity, as the Cougar Emars is also ergonomically inclined with the desktop's curved edges and rounded corners, as well as dual electric motors for height adjustments from sitting to standing. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Number 2. FlexiSpot EC1. When you're tight on space, a smaller option like the FlexiSpot EC1 adjustable height desk can help minimize your footprint while providing ample surface area for work and play. Its 40x24-inch model can easily hold a monitor along with all your other peripherals. The desk remains durable and stable for such a petite size thanks to its steel frame and solid chipboard desktop that supports up to 154 pounds. Sure, the FlexiSpot EC1 adjustable height desk is much more stripped down than other options in the video, so you won't find any RGB lighting or fancy cable management solutions, but considering that it will set you back just $200, it offers quite a lot for what you're paying. Number 3. Secret Lab Magnus Pro. Secret Lab's Magnus Pro gaming desk is a souped-up model of the Magnus. It continues the tradition of being undeniably unique thanks to its use of a magnetic ecosystem in the design, making it simple to add extras like cable management solutions, desk mats, and RGB lighting. That RGB lighting, though it does cost extra, is easy to install and attaches right onto a dedicated spot at the top of the desk right before the cable tray. From there, this Nanoleaf-powered strip shines, offering tons of custom lighting effects and can be synced up with other Nanoleaf accessories and controlled using several smart home systems. Beyond flashy RGB lighting, the metal desk surface is ultra-durable, while a steel chassis ensures it can hold even the heftiest gaming setups. With just the tap of a button on the built-in control panel, the desk's height adjusts, letting a motor do the work to find your ideal position, whether sitting or standing. To make your life even easier, you get an integrated power supply in the left leg of the desk and a socket letting you power your devices while keeping cable clutter to a minimum. Number 4. Ikea Utes Balare. The ready-to-assemble furniture retailer Ikea may not be your first thought when it comes to quality gaming furniture, but its Utespler gaming desk is a solid affordable option. It was even made in collaboration with ROG, so you can rest assured that a lot of thought went into the design. Unlike most of the other desks in this video, you aren't going to find any motor to let you stand up or an electrical component, but for under $300, it doesn't need to. Don't worry, the Utespler is ready to support a gaming PC and a few gaming monitors with its large surface area and hefty max load. If you're packing it to the brim with electronics, you'll appreciate the metal mesh at the back for ventilation and a cable management net. The tabletop is also ergonomically shaped on one side and can be reversed, while the desk height can go between 27 and 30 inches for the perfect seated position. Number 5. Cooler Master GD160. It's hard to find a gaming desk that is robust, large, and also affordable, but Cooler Master has managed that with the GD160, ensuring you can save up for a great gaming PC deal for about $300. This is a solid gaming desk that delivers a sturdy frame ready to hold up to 220 pounds that remains stable even when you get overly excited during a game. That frame rests a massive desktop on it, which can easily house a multiple monitor setup. The Cooler Master GD160 may not have as many frills as other desks like RGB lighting or standing functionality, but you do get a cable management tray to hide away pesky wires.